So today is our day 11 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days. Okay. And I want to start by saying congratulations for those that stick to the challenge till this day 11. And I want to say that I'm proud of you. Okay. Yes, you are doing well for yourself. Of course, as usual, I've already saved my own 1,000 using this platform called Cowrywise. And I will still always keep on telling you that it is not must that you make use of the same platform that I'm making use of, which is Cowrywise. Okay, you can make use of any one that you want to use, either the same Cowrywise that I'm using, or PiggyVest, or PalmPay, or OPay, or Money Points. But make sure the fintech platform you're going to be making use of is definitely going to be paying you for saving your money, right? Yes. Or you can still decide to take your own 90-day challenge or do the 90-day challenge with PiggyVest, because PiggyVest is currently running a 90-day challenge. So if you decide to make use of PiggyVest for your own 90-day challenge, then try and go into the challenge that PiggyVest is currently doing, because PiggyVest is also going to pay you 14% per annum. Yes, interest. Okay, so how cool is that? They are paying you for saving your money. So always remember the tips that I gave or I am giving that is going to keep you consistent, which is cutting down on your expenses and also automating your savings, because that is going to enable you to go throughout the whole 90-day challenge. Automating your saving is going to help if you are a busy type of person. It is going to help to do that seamlessly without you even knowing. What you are going to be getting is just a debit alert, and when you check the description of the debit alert, you are going to discover that, oh, this is actually for the 90-day challenge that I'm into. Okay, so cutting down on your expenses will enable you to have enough money to go throughout the whole challenge. Remember, you can save any amount of money you want. If you don't have up to 1,000 to save every day, you can decide to bring it down to probably 500, 300, or even 150. But if you think you have enough money, I'm using the PiggyVest current 90-day challenge as an example. The minimum they can save is 1,500. Okay, yes. So, but people are saving even 150,000 naira. How cool is that? How cool is that? People are saving even 10,000, 5,000, but they said the minimum is 1,500. So if you think you are bigger than the 1,000 that we are currently doing, that I am doing, then go ahead and do it. I am not setting a limit or the maximum you can be able to save every day. Okay, I'm just doing 1,000. Right. So in case if you are coming across this challenge for the first time, please, I don't want you to feel like you are too late to join this challenge. I want you to start today. Yes, start today, and it's going to prove that you really want to do something about your finance, right? If you can be able to save, then you can definitely be able to invest. Okay, yeah. So do want to click this video in essence of the value you're always getting on this channel. And I personally want you to join this family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, don't forget to also turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Okay, so in case you're looking for more ways to make money, more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, then I recommend you click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on the video, and I will definitely see you on the other side. Then keep winning and know that I am rooting for you. And until tomorrow, then I'm going to see you again, comrade. Bye.